Hi everyone, I'm Rick Zanotti, and this is eLearnChat, where you always learn something new. And if you like the way I'm lit, you can blame that on Rembrandt. Here we go. I'm being lit with a style of lighting called Rembrandt Lighting. The painter, Rembrandt. Now, what makes it different? You can see the shadowing or textures on this side of my face. So this is the left side. My right side's being lit by the light. The light is not in front of me. It's actually over me and pointing down a little bit. So it acts as a hair light because it does pop a little bit of hair out from the background. If I look up, you can see it's lighting all of me right now. But the minute I look this way, I've got textures, I've got shadows, which is a nice look. It's a more cinematic or dramatic look. If you're filming video scenarios, then this is a nice way to light certain kind of moods. If I look towards the monitor I have in front of me so I can see the show when we have guests on, I'm even a little bit darker probably. So this is Rembrandt Lighting. In a future episode, we'll show you how to do this so you can use it for your e-learning scenarios, corporate videos, or anything else you're doing. You'll find it's a fun way to light someone, and it makes it more interesting, more dramatic, more shadowed. Thanks everyone. We'll see you soon, and we'll teach you how to do Rembrandt Lighting. Bye-bye.